Hey YouTube, me and our friend Lexi are here because we are doing an unboxing video. Long story short, the hard drive in my office computer has been grumpy and all fluke-jacked and crashy and stuff for a while. So here I'm replacing it. Now it's not with a overly fancy hard drive. It's just a 1 terabyte. And in case you notice, it's Hitachi. The reason I go with Hitachi is it's the one brand that I've never had any major problems with, knocking on wood as I say that. But anyway, so we're going to open this here in a moment. This is from Tiger Direct, which, well, if you're in Canada and you're looking for relatively affordable computer components and whatnot, I would recommend going there over Best Buy, Future Shop, Staples, all them, because you can end up saving yourself a ton of money. So I'm just going to salt this for a minute and let's take a look. So there's all the fancy packaging and information. Okay, so I'm just going to place this on pause and I will be back momentarily after I've opened the package. Okay, and we're back. So I have cut around the package, so I'm going to take it out. This is just a little paper thing from Tiger Direct. And we'll just take out the hard drive with one hand. Take that out of the way. Yep, so here's the new hard drive. Okay, and I'm just going to place this on pause again for a quick moment while I open this up. Okay, and there we go. So here's the new hard drive. And I'm going to cut back, and very shortly I will actually be installing this into the computer. Okay, and so here we go. The top has, well, the front and side has been taken off the computer. There's the old hard drive in there. I'm just going to go about to make sure I have it taken out. Well, obviously I have to make sure I have it taken out. I have a hard drive bay down there, but I'm not actually using it right now. And I'm actually going to be taking this hard drive out anyway to see if there's anything that can be done about it, or maybe just use it as a secondary drive on my other computer. But yeah, this thing's pretty well done. Not that it's was really faulty or anything. That hard drive is quite a bit older than this computer, because when I bought this, the hard drive that came with it unfortunately was defective. So this was a secondary one that was in the computer that I had before this one, and this one has just given up pretty much because of old age. So I'm going to swap the hard drives and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. So new hard drive is in. Obviously it doesn't really look any different. Had to wrestle the old one out there a little bit, but got it in okay, got it hooked up. Now I'm going to put this back together, and me and Lexi, who is also here giving us a hand, she wants to take a look at the camera, checking out the computer, will power it up and reinstall Windows. Okay, so we powered it up. And right now we're getting ready to reinstall Windows 7 on the computer. Okay, and a couple of minutes later, here we are, standard Windows 7 installation screen. One thing I like about Windows 7 is it installs a hell of a lot faster than Windows Vista, which would take hours. On this computer, at least on the old hard drive, took, I don't know, maybe about 20 minutes. We'll see if it does it that quickly this time. Okay, and there we go. Success. New hard drive is installed. Windows 7 is installed. Reinstalling my wireless network stick. And then about to spend the evening installing updates and reinstalling my software. So that is everything for today, or at least for this video. So have yourselves a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.